Hey there, parents! Looking for a fun and healthy way to keep your kids cool this summer? Let's make some delicious organic fruit popsicles. First, prepare the fruit. Wash and chop your organic fruits into small pieces. Popular choices include strawberries, blueberries, mangoes, and kiwis. Next, blend the ingredients. Place the chopped fruits in a blender. You can add a bit of organic fruit juice or yogurt to create a smoother texture if desired. Blend until you have your desired consistency, either smooth or slightly chunky. Now let's sweeten it naturally. If you prefer a sweeter popsicle, add a natural sweetener such as honey, agave syrup, or maple syrup to taste and blend again. Time to fill the molds. Pour the blended mixture into popsicle molds, leaving a little space at the top to allow for expansion as they freeze. Insert the popsicle sticks. Finally, freeze. Place the molds in the freezer and let them freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours or until completely solid. Once frozen, remove from the molds and enjoy your homemade organic fruit popsicles. Enjoy your refreshing and healthy treat. Will you try this recipe for your kids? Comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.